Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Are you happy? Yes. I hope you are all very happy and safe. Have you finished last day's homework? Okay, good. Shall I ask some questions about fraction? Okay. What is fraction? Yes, fraction is a part of a whole, isn't it? What is the fraction form? They have numerator and denominator, isn't it? Yes. Now, what is proper fraction? When the numerator is smaller than the denominator is known as proper fraction, isn't it? Okay. Can you say any one example for proper fraction? Yes, very good. 3 by 4, 2 by 5, isn't it? Okay. What is improper fraction? Yes, when the numerator is greater than the denominator is known as improper fraction. Example, 8 by 5, 10 by 2, etc. Isn't it? Okay. What is mixed fraction? Yes, mixed fractions which have an integral part and a proper fractional part. Isn't it? Integral part and proper fractional part. Isn't it? Yes. Okay, what is negative fraction? Good. Negative fractions lie to the left of 0 on the number line. Isn't it? Negative fraction lie to the left of 0. Isn't it? For example, minus 7 by 10, minus 1 by 2, etc. Okay. Now, what is simple fraction? A simple fraction is one in which the numerator as well as the denominator are positive or negative integers. For example, 1 by 3, minus 5 by 9, etc. Isn't it? Okay. Type of fraction. Isn't it? What is proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, simple fraction and negative fraction. Then today next type, complex fraction. Okay? Complex fraction. What is complex fraction? A complex fraction is one in which the numerator, the denominator are both are fraction. Numerator or denominator, otherwise both are fraction. Okay. For example, listen. Here numerator is 1 by 3. This is the fraction form. Divided by denominator is 4. Okay. Then otherwise numerator is 3 by 4. Any one fraction. This is the fraction form. Then denominator also fraction form. 2 by 5. Like this. Okay. Suppose this numerator is fraction form. Otherwise denominator only fraction form. Otherwise both numerator and the denominator also fraction form. This fraction is called complex fraction. Then mixed fraction also. 1 by 2 divided by 3, 2 by 5. Mixed fraction. This numerator and denominator fraction form means that fraction is called complex fraction. Are you clear? What is complex fraction? Numerator is fraction form. Otherwise denominator only fraction form. Otherwise numerator and the denominator also fraction form means that is called complex fraction. That is proper fraction, otherwise improper fraction, that is any one fraction. Okay? Otherwise mixed fraction also. Okay. So numerator and the denominator also fraction form. Otherwise only numerator, only denominator is fraction form means that fraction is called complex fraction. Okay. Now 3 by, suppose now I am taking this fraction 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 5. Okay, 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 5. This is complex fraction. Now, how can you simplify this? Listen, what is the meaning? Now, this numerator is 3 by 4 divided by, isn't it? You can read 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 5. Otherwise, 3 by 4 upon 2 by 5. 3 by 4 by 2 by 5. Isn't it? That is, this meaning is this line divided by, upon. That is meaning division. Isn't it? 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 5. Can you write like this? 2 by 5. Are you clear? Now we can write, this is you change into multiplication symbol is equal to 3 by 4 into. Now if you change the multiplication symbol means we can write this is a reciprocal. Okay, what's the reciprocal of 2 by 5? 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Now we can multiply numerator and numerator. 5 3s are 15 divided by 4 2s are 8. Here no need to take LCM because this is multiplication. Okay, addition and subtraction only we want to take LCM. Are you clear? So now we can multiply by 3 and 5 and 4 and 2, 15 by 8. What's the simplify? This answer is 15 by 8. Okay, so we can write 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 5 is equal to, we can write 3 by 4 into, what's the reciprocal? 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2. Why I wrote this like this? Because this is a division. Then this step 3 by 4, the multiplication, divide 5 by 2, reciprocal 2 by 5. Reciprocal of 2 by 5 is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, so we can write 3 by 4 into 5 by 2. Okay, shall I give any another one example? 2 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. Okay, equal to, how can you write? How can you simplify? 2 by 8 into, what's the reciprocal? 4 by 3. 4 by 3. That's all. Okay, now 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Now we can cut 8 table. 1 8 is 8. 3 8s are 24. So 1 by 3. Otherwise you can cut here. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 2 cut it. We'll get 1 by 3 answer. Same answer. Are you clear what is complex fraction? Complex fraction means that numerator is fraction form. Otherwise denominator is fraction form. Otherwise the numerator and the denominator also fraction form means that is called complex fraction. Are you clear? Next one, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? Equivalent fractions are fractions having same value. Equivalent fractions are fractions having same value. Now we can take any one fraction. For example, 1 by 2. Okay. Now we can find what are the equivalent fractions. Now we can multiply by 2. Okay. 2 in the numerator and the denominator. Okay. Equal to 1 into 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Now here I took what fraction? 1 by 2. Now I got next equivalent fraction is 2 by 2. Now we can simplify 2 by 4. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So that value is 1 by 2. You get example what? 1 by 2, isn't it? Example is 1 by 2. This next is equivalent fraction also. That value is 1 by 2. Are you clear? Then what's the next equivalent fraction? 1 by 2 into 3 by 3 equal to 1 into 3, 3. 3 2s are 6. Now simplify. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. That values will not change. So this is the equivalent fraction. Now equivalent fractions are fractions having same value. Did you get same value? So these fractions are equivalent fraction. Now we can write 1 by 2, then 2 by 4, 3 by 6 are the equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Okay. 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 are equivalent fractions. Can you write another one example? Okay. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now we can write 3 by 4 into, we can multiply by 6. Any one number you can take, but that same number we can multiply by numerator and the denominator. Okay. See here 6, you multiply by 6 in the numerator means multiply by 6 in the denominator also. That is must. Okay. Now 6 3s are 18 divided by 6 4s are 24. 6 3s are 18 divided by 6 4s are 24. Now can we simplify? 2 table, 9 2s are 18. Now here 1 2 is 2, then 2 2s are 4. Then 3 table, isn't it? 9 and 12 is in 3 table. This 9 is not in 2 table. So we can move 3 table. So 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Then we can't cut again. Next, isn't it? Because 3 is the prime number, 4 is a composite number. So we can't cut. This is the answer. 3 by 4. What's the fraction? With 3 by 4. Did you get that same value? Yes. So we can write 18 by 24. What's the next equivalent fraction? 18 by 24. 3 by 4 and 18 by 24 are equivalent fraction. 3 by 4 and 18 by 24 are equivalent fraction. Are you clear? Okay. Now equivalent fractions are fractions having same value. So these fractions are called equivalent fraction. Are you clear? Okay. Now write 3 equivalent fractions in each of the following. Okay. Write 3 equivalent fractions in each of the following. Okay. Now first one, 3 by 5. Now we want to find the equivalent fractions. Any 3 equivalent fractions. How can we identify? Now we can write 3 by 5 into any 3 equivalent fractions. First 3 equivalent fraction means we can write 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Multiply by 1 by 1. Multiply by 2 by 2. Multiply by 3 by 3. That is the first 3 equivalent fractions. But here write 3 equivalent fractions. They are giving us first 3 equivalent fractions. So we can write any 3 equivalent fractions. So we can multiply by 5 by 5 or any one. 6 means 6 by 6. 7 means 7 by 7. 25 means 25 by 25 like this. Okay. Equal to 5 3s are 3 into 5. First numerator 3 into 5 divided by 5 into 5. Denominator is 5 into 5 equal to 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. Now listen, this 15 and 25 is in 5 table, isn't it? Now we have first fraction is 3 by 5, isn't it? 3 by 5. Can you check that value? 15 by 25. Table 5 table 3 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Did you get the same value? Yes. So this is the equivalent fraction, isn't it? So now this is the first equivalent fraction. We want to find out 3 equivalent fraction. Now we can write 3 by 5 into next 6 by 6 equal to 6 3s are 18 divided by 6 5s are 30. Next equivalent fraction is 18 by 30. We can check here like this. Okay. We'll get the same answer, same value, 3 by 5. Then one more, 3 by 5 into 10 by 10. Okay. Equal to 30 into 3 into 10, 30 divided by 5 into 10, 50. So we can write, therefore, the three equivalent fractions are, therefore, the three equivalent fractions are, what are the equivalent fractions? 15 by 25. First one is 15 by 25. Second, 18 by 30. And third one is 30 by 50. Okay, 30 by 50. Are you clear? First, we want to multiply by 5 by 5, then 6 by 6, then 10 by 10. We can take any one number. Are you clear? Any three fractions we can find out. So, the three equivalent fractions are 15 by 25, 18 by 30, 30 by 50. Okay. Now, this is no need. Now, second question. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into. Now, we can take 2 by 2. Any one number take 1 into 2 divided by 4 into 2. Equal to 1 into 2, 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Then second one. Second equivalent fraction into 3 by 3 equal to 1 into 3 divided by 4 into 3. 4 into 3. 1 into 3, 3. 4 3s are 12. Next equivalent fraction 3 by 12. Then 1 by 4 into, now we can take 11 by 11 also, that is 11 by 11 equal to 1 into 11, 11 by 4 into 11, 44, isn't it? So 11 by 44. So we can write what are the equivalent fractions? Therefore, the three equivalent fractions are, what are the equivalent fractions? First one is 2 by 8, then 3 by 12, then last one is 11 by 44. 2 by 8, 3 by 12 and 11 by 44. Okay. Then one more question. This is the mixed fraction, isn't it? 3, 4 by 7. Do you know how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? This denominator into improper fraction is equal to improper fraction. I denoted by improper fraction. Okay. Improper fraction is equal to denominator into whole. What is the whole number? Otherwise integral part. 3 plus numerator divided by what? Denominator. Understand? Denominator into whole. Whole into denominator. Otherwise we can write whole into denominator. That is also correct. Whole into denominator. Whole into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Are you clear? Okay. Understand? Improper fraction. This is the mixed fraction. Now we want to convert into improper fraction. Then only we can find the equivalent fraction. So first we want to change into improper fraction. Improper fraction, how can we change? Improper fraction is equal to whole into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Are you clear? Yes, now equal to, what is whole? 3. 3 into, what is the denominator? Denominator is 7. Then plus, what's the numerator? Numerator is 4 divided by denominator 7. Are you clear? Okay. Now equal to 7 3s are 21 plus 1 by 7 equal to 21 plus 21, 22 by 7. What's the fraction? 22 by 7. Now we want to find out the equivalent fraction. Okay. Now 22, first one, 22 by 7 into 2 by 2 equal to 22 into 2, 44. Okay, 22 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 44 by 7 2s are 14. This is the first equivalent fraction. Then second one, 22 divided by 7 into 3 by 3. We can take simple number means we can multiply is very easy, isn't it? If you take big number means some multiplication is some difficult. So we can take the simple number. Okay. Now 3 into 22, 66 by 7 3s are 21. Then third one, 22 divided by 7 into 4 by continuous number also we can take, no problem. 4 equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 22 into 4, 88, divided by 7 4s are 28. Now what are the equivalent fraction? 44 by 14, 66 by 21, 88 by 28. Therefore, the equivalent fractions, the three equivalent fractions are, therefore, the three equivalent fractions are, what are the equivalent fractions? First one is 44 by 14. 44 by 14. Next, 66 by 21 and 88 by 28. Are you clear? Are you clear? First, if we have mixed fraction means first we want to change the improper fraction. Improper fraction is equal to whole into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Okay. So, last year we studied this formula, isn't it? Just to recall, 3 into 7 plus 4. 3 into 7 plus 4 divided by denominator. Okay. Now, we can find out the equivalent fraction. Are you clear? What is equivalent fraction? Okay, good. Okay, students. Today's homework, book page number 38, exercise 4.1, question number 1, third question and fourth question. Only 2 questions. Okay, homework. We can see next class. Thank you.